8 is on systems of equations. So this is substitution and elimination stuff. There's 3 types of homework, or 3 types of questions. You've got ones on graphing and figuring out where they cross, ones where you have to use substitution, and then ones where you have to use elimination. So I'm going to show you a couple of each type. Graphing, you guys are great at graphing. The only thing here is you're going to have to graph twice. So let me write up a quick reminder. If it's a positive slope, you can go up and right. Slope word, huh? Positive slope, you're going to go up and right. Or down and left. Just a moment, let me get this fixed. Gotta slide all this over. Down and left. If it's a negative slope, it's the exact backwards. You can go up and left, or down and right. So what we need to remember as we're graphing these is we start on the y-intercept, so -4, and then our slope tells us up 1, right 2, because it's a positive slope. So up 1, right 2, you've got the cool fancy system that draws the straight line for you. Okay, this one, I start at +4, and then it's a negative slope, so I'm going to go down 3, right 2. Okay, here's 4, going down 3, right 2, gets me right here. I'm going to do that one more time, and that shows me where they cross. The whole reason we do this is to figure out where the 2 lines cross. When you write the ordered pair, remember it's x and then y. So I told you the first number is left and right, second number is up and down. To get to this point right here where the green and blue line cross, we have to go right 4, down 2. Okay, number 2. If you've got this, you don't need number 2. Skip ahead a little bit and don't watch number 2. If you need number 2, watch it. We start at -4, because that's our y-intercept, and then our slope is up 1, right 4. And I'm going to go down 1, left 4 as well. Second equation, we start at +1. Ooh, this slope is just a plain old negative x, so that means go -1/1 or down 1, right 1. So I start at 1, go down 1, right 1 several times until I hit the green line. And I hit that green line right here. This ordered pair, oh, it's almost the same as the previous one. It's right 4, down 3. Substitution is the next thing I want to review with you. The steps for substitution are step 1, substitute. Step 2, solve. Step 3, plug in and solve for other variables. Okay, step 1, we're going to take this equation right here. If you're taking notes, pause a moment and write these down. Y gets plugged in right there because it's y equals. Then we get 4x plus 4 times 6x plus 3 equals -16. So I rewrote this equation exactly as it was, except where this y is, I replaced it with what y equals. Then we distribute. So when we solve, there's a few steps. You have to distribute. X plus 24x plus 12 equals -16. I almost said plus 18. So 4 times 3 is 12. Then we combine like terms. 28x plus 12 equals negative 16. Then we subtract the 12. So that will be either add or subtract, and then the last step will be to divide. So when I divide by 28, we get x equals negative 1. No, I missed a step on here. Step 4 is we need to write it as an ordered pair, x comma y. So we have what x equals. It's negative 1. We also need what y equals. So that's step 3, where we plug in what we found to the easiest equation out of the two you're given. So I think the bottom one's easier. Plug it in for x and then solve. So I have y equals 6 times negative 1 plus 3. Negative 6 plus 3 is negative 3, so y equals negative 3. And there's my answer for substitution. Again, if you've got it, that was enough of a reminder. Skip over example 4 and jump straight to elimination. Otherwise, watch this example as well. Okay, with number 4, we're going to do the same steps as we did with number 3. Take this negative 2x plus 14, plug it in for y, rewrite that top equation as we saw it, except where y is, it gets replaced with this negative 2x plus 14. Then we need to distribute. Pay attention to your negatives as you do that. We have negative 8x minus 8x plus 4 times 14 is 56 equals negative 8. Then we combine our like terms. That does not make 0. It makes negative 16x plus 56 equals negative 8. Subtract the 56. So we get negative 16x equals negative 64. Divide by negative 16. And negative 64 divided by negative 16 is 4. Okay, remember that is only half of our answer. So we have x equals 4. We also need what y equals. I'm going to squeeze that into this corner over here. We know that y equals negative 2x plus 14. And x is 4. So y equals negative 2 times 4 plus 14, which is negative 8 plus 14, which is positive 6. Okay. And there's our answer for substitution. So let's do a couple of elimination ones now. Elimination, in my opinion, elimination is easier than substitution. The steps for elimination, I've got them all set up, so your first step is to just add straight down. Step 2 will be to solve. Step 3 will be to plug in and solve for the other variable. And step 4 will be to write it as an ordered pair. So they're very similar steps to substitution. You just start out different. I'm going to take this first example, number 5, and add straight down. And when I do that, notice the x's go away. Negative 8 plus 8 is 0. 0x, that's just gone. So 5 minus 2y makes 3y. 3 and 18 makes 21. Divide by 3. Y equals 21 divided by 3 is 7. Okay, there's first half of my answer. That's why I like elimination better. It gets to that first answer pretty quick. But we do need a second answer. So I'm going to take this y equals 7 and plug it into the equation I think is easier. I would say the bottom one is easier. So I'm going to plug it in right there. 8x minus 2 times 7 equals 18. 8x minus 14 equals 18. Add the 14. 8x equals 32. Divide by 8. I'm out of room here. And x equals 4. So again, if you have that, you do not have to watch example 6. You do need to watch example 7 though. So fast forward to example 7. If you did not understand all of that, let's do example 6 together. So first step, add straight down. Oh look, the y's go away. 5 minus 5 is 0. 3 minus 4 is negative 1x. And negative 28 plus 24 is negative 4. Divide by negative 1. X equals 4. Then I'm going to take that 4 and plug it into the equation I think is easier. So I would say plug it into the top equation. That's less negatives. 3, plug it in for x because it's x equals 3 times 4 plus 5y equals negative 28. 12 plus 5y equals negative 28 minus 12. 5y equals negative 40. Divided by 5. If I'm going too fast for you, just slow the video down. You can change it to like 0.75 speed. If I'm going too slow for you, speed it up to like 1.5 or 1.25. Y equals negative 8. So there's our x and our y. Oh, I forgot to parentheses. Okay, last problem I want to do with you. You'll have a couple similar to this on your homework, where you'll have elimination problems. You'll add straight down, and what happens is the x and the y go away. And then on the right side, you'll either get a number or it goes away as well. So on this one, we get nothing on the left side, so 0 equals negative 1 on the right side. That is false. That means no solution. Or you can write it like this symbol. But let's say instead you have this problem. 3x plus 9y equals negative 22. Negative 3x minus 9y equals positive 22. When I add that straight down, this goes away, and this goes away. So we have 0 equals 0. That is true. Or in other words, these equations are the same, just with the difference of a negative between them all. So that means infinitely many solutions, or all solutions. No, just infinitely many solutions. Okay, there is your video for homework number 8, I believe is what we're on. So you're good to go work on that homework now. Again, let me know if you have any questions.